Let me show you how to properly set up and use your Logitech G304 or 305 wireless mouse. I will show you how to use it with a computer, laptop or Mac, or also even a phone or also a tablet. So first what you want to do is you simply want to open this mouse up, so simply slide this cover off here. As you see, you have this receiver in the mouse here, which we can remove. So this is not a Bluetooth mouse, so the connection is done using this dongle, unfortunately, which is a bit ridiculous. So again, no Bluetooth, so we can't use it directly without the dongle. So then it also runs from battery, so to insert the battery, so this pointy tip on the bottom, as this. So you see, insert there, and then simply replace your cover, just like this. So if you flip over your mouse, so you see you have your on-off switch over here. So simply turn it on, okay, and you see then it's ready to work. Maybe let's start with like a phone or tablet. So for example, if you want to also use it with Type-C device, you will need adapter like this, which converts a regular USB to Type-C. So simply plugs in, and then I see, for example, if I insert in my phone, it's automatically connected. So you see, literally in half a second or even faster, I can start using this mouse here. Absolutely awesome. So yeah, if you want to connect to PC or laptop, so it's pretty much the same really. So you simply take this dongle and simply plug it in. Again, maybe if you have a Mac, again, if you do not have the regular USB, again, you will have to get adapter like this. So let's insert it inside. Okay. Yep. And then, as you see, if everything is okay, it should automatically connect and start working. So you see, yeah, works absolutely great without anything else. But also this mouse can be highly customizable, so you can set various things, also change some settings for it. So if you want to do that, you have to download software for it. So you would simply go in the Google and simply open this simply type in search Logitech G304 drivers or 305. Click over here. Okay. And then click on this Logitech G Hub here to download. So after you download it, open up the download, and you see you will, basically after you install it, you will get basically this icon here on your desktop, and then simply wait for the mouse to load, and you see it should load like this. The first time you actually like launch this software, it might ask you to do some setup, so agree to some terms or whatever. So simply figure out. It's very easy, you do not have to create any accounts here. So then you see you can, for example, click on these mouses here and change, for example, the DPI settings that you want to use, and it will set the DPI on this mouse. Essentially, the DPI is the speed at which your cursor moves across your screen as you are basically sliding your mouse. So the higher you set, the faster it will like scroll. So you see how insanely fast it scrolls if I like even move it tiny bit. But if I set it at, for example, 400, so you see just how insanely slow it actually moves. So you have to actually like, so you see very slow essentially. So the best for most is maybe like 1500. So you see it's still snappy. Also you see you can change the different performance modes here. So low performance, high performance, if you want to save the battery. When it comes to battery life on these mouses, so I have had it for like a few years already now, and the first battery ran for me literally for a bit over 2 years. So it's crazy when it comes to battery life. Absolutely love it. So yeah, also you see if you click over here, you can customize basically all the buttons on the mouse, these things. So if you want to customize it for something else, so simply go over here and find what you want. For example, okay, so you see a bunch of stuff. Also you can basically update the firmware of the mouse here as well if you want to. Also, if you download the software and you can't actually connect to it, so if you open the software and it doesn't find your mouse, then there's actually a huge chance this is not a genuine Logitech product. Because, for example, if you have purchased for example, on some Amazon listing from third-party seller, eBay, AliExpress, some other local site, again, I see a lot of fakes on these around. So again, if it doesn't connect, so I have some bad news, unfortunately for you. But yeah, apart from that, this mouse is absolutely awesome. Again, we have the DPI switch here, so we can change the various DPI settings. Also, by the way, if you're wondering what is the difference between the 305 and 304, then there's no difference. These are the same mouses. Only in Europe and States and other Western countries it's called that 305, while in Asian countries mostly 304. So if you're wondering which one to get, which one to purchase, the 305 or 304, simply purchase the cheapest ones. They simply maybe have tiny bit different packaging, but it's the same mouse with the same sensor, same everything. So it's the same mouse again. Quite confusing basically from Logitech side. And yeah, overall this mouse in my opinion is actually absolutely awesome. Not only it fits in your hand very good, literally like 2 years of battery life, also it works on pretty much any surface. So wherever you try to use it, it works absolutely great. Okay, good luck.